My dear students, I am going to explain you when does Snell's law fail. Because Snell's law in refraction plays a pivotal role, very important role for finding refractive index. So you know that in the case of Snell's law, when the incident ray falls normally, falls perpendicularly, falls making 90-degree angle, in that case angle of incidence is equals to 0. And if angle of incidence equals to 0, angle of refraction will be also 0. That means at the refractive surface there is a normal, and with the normal what angle is made by the incident ray is called angle of incidence. And here with the normal which is at the refractive surface of the media, that means there are two media. So at that place with the normal, if the incident ray is falling perpendicularly, it is falling normally making 90-degree angle. So there will be no angle made, and that's why angle of incidence will be 0. And so refractive index, that is Snell's law, says that mu equals to sin I by sin R. So in this case sin I becomes 0, so sin 0 degree is 0, so R is also 0, so sin 0 degree is 0. So it becomes indeterminate. That means it cannot be calculated, it cannot be determined. And so the Snell's law failed when the incident ray is falling normally at the refractive surface. Thank you. If you like, please share and subscribe.